Mr. No 21 here, and I haven't made a video for 3 days. I feel really bad about that, but I just got back. I had to do a test that was worth 30% of my grade this year, so that's really stressing. So, but tomorrow's my birthday, and my dad and my mom promised that they would take me out to buy stuff with my birthday money from my party that was taken March 6th. So, and I mentioned in another video, I got a check from Florida, and I got that cashed in, and I about got $160. So, basically, I'm gonna get off the chit chatter and show you what I got. So this is going to be a review on what I got, and it's something nerf related. Nerf CS6 deploy if you haven't noticed. So I'll show you how it works. This is the review on it, and the other gun I got. So basically, I was basically gonna get the long strike, but really I didn't feel like it. It was a little much money. So I bought this instead. So I'll show you how to do it. You press this button a little bit. Just turn that. And then the rest is turn that. And up at the top of the handle grip, at the gray part, there's a piece of rubber. So that's really fitting. To get it, there's two sights on this already built into it. There, right connected to the clip on the side of the barrel is a laser sight. And at the top of the right below the tactical rail, there's an aimer. So, when you get the gun, that's how you push it back together. Once you get the gun, you notice that it has a weak spring. Once you get the gun, you notice it has a weak spring, right? Mine shoots about maybe 30 feet. I haven't measured yet, but I'm guessing around there. So let's take a shooting test now. Okay. My target is the chair. Basically, is the chair. So overshot the chair. Let's see what else. Maxed out. Next gun I'm gonna show you is the Nerf Atom Blaster. Most people say ball launchers are not. I got Nerf Buzzsaw. I don't care what you guys say on YouTube. I don't care if you leave me a dozen nasty comments or anything. It's a good gun, okay? The Atom Blaster, well, the reactor, if you modded it, I have the Buzzbee version of it, so it's really hard to shoot that with the Buzzbee version. But anyway, I'll show you the shooting this. It's pretty good shooting this, so I could have bought two, but anyway, okay, shooting test. Mom, don't even think about coming into my room. I'm doing a video. Okay. So about 20, 25 feet around there. Not bad, good. Five, 6 bullets. Yeah, ball. And then the So tell me what the ranges are on the atom blasters because I didn't really get to see. So yeah, that is my two new Nerf guns.